Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Reddit notification not showing. First, check your internet connection. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. It will open the control center. From here, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works properly. If the connection is weak, switching between network is the best. After that, check your notification setting in the Reddit app. For that, open the app, tap on your profile icon, go to the setting, tap on account setting and make sure your notification is turned on. You can also close the app completely from the recent app and then reopen it to check if the notification starts working. You can also go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Reddit. If any update is available, tap update. An outdated can cause this error. If the problem continues, install the Reddit from your phone, then download and install it again from the App Store. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.